The drill bit is a very important part of creating pocket hole joints, and you'll quickly see that a pocket hole drill bit isn't like an ordinary drill bit. The main portion of the bit, the fatter part, creates the pocket. The narrower tip creates a pilot hole for the screw, and the step in between creates a flat ledge at the bottom of the pocket. You can see how it works in a cutaway. The drill guide holds the bit at the proper angle as it drives in and allows the tip and the main part of the bit to do their job. And the stop collar on the bit prevents the bit from driving too deep. So you get a perfectly formed pocket with 3 parts. The main pocket itself, the pilot hole that guides the self-tapping screw at the proper angle, and the flat ledge that matches up with the flat underside of the screw head to pull the joint together tightly. With Kreg 300 series pocket hole jigs, setting up the bit is easy. In fact, we call it Easy Set. You'll see that the bit has 3 numbers engraved on it. Those match up with the 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1.5 inch thickness ranges that are also on the jig body and the material thickness gauge. The stop collar has a window, so all you need to do is slide the stop collar on until the thickness range you need shows through the window, and then lock the collar down with the set screw.